Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Richard Travolsi and welcome to Manhattan Wellness Group. We have Melissa here today from Estee Lauder. All right, let's see, we're doing lower back evaluation and treatment. What we're gonna look for first is to see if we have range of motion to both sides that are equal or off. All right, Melissa, I need you to lean this way for me as far as you can go.
Okay.
All right, and that's gonna be your toe right here. And let's go to the other side and do the same thing. And you definitely reach longer on the right side, which means your left side is which one is locked up. Let me have you lay down on your back for me, please. Okay. And can I have the angle from here? Thank you so much. Okay. All right, so left rotation restriction, what we're gonna do is have your left leg up, bend your knee, and what I'm gonna do is turn you over, right at the right angle, get your foot over, perfect. Let me get this hand.
Oh, this one?
Oh, this is gonna pop so good. Let's have you face this way.
God.
Let's let it go here. A little bit more. Perfect. Nothing but that. That was amazing. So locked up. Let me have you the other side. Let me get the SI joint. This is only gonna be like 1 or 2 on that SI joint where the pelvis is.
Okay.
And try to hold this right here for me. Let's see. Yeah. Perfect.
Okay.
Wow. Nothing but that. That was awesome. Thank you very much, and come and check us out at Manhattan Wellness Group.